By the Avro 19, the final evolution of the faithful Anson.
So, in from the right, the Havilland DH89A Dragon Rapide and the Avro 19 Anson. Contrasting engine notes, a pair of 200 horsepower de Havilland Gypsy 6s on the Rapide, two Armstrong Sibley Cheetahs of 420 horsepower each on the Anson. The Rapide that's leading this formation has a remarkable history. It was built as a military dominee. It served first with #1 camouflage flight at RAF Hendon, now the home of the RAF Museum London. But then it was put onto the Civil Register. It was transferred to an organisation called the Associated Airways Joint Committee and assigned to the Northern Division of Scottish Airways, who used it for scheduled services and ambulance flights. And many Royal Navy personnel would have flown on this very aircraft in the markings that it today carries in wartime. Police personnel from the then very secret naval base at Scarborough Flow. And so secret.
First 1 to 10 and then 11 to 19. The earlier Mark II spark electronics and a metal weight spark. Older ones, sorry, the younger ones to survive. It's here in its new livery for the RAF 100 and it looks very nice indeed.
Interwar airlines in the UK. And large numbers of those aircraft were impressed, as it was known, into RAF service on the outbreak of war. Then in excess of 500 more were built specifically as military dominies. They were used for training radio operators and for light transport use. Most of the ones the Fleet Air Arm used were ex-RAF. Aircraft. history, namely its post-war use by various British and other airlines, with us for pleasure flying before the display.
Why did you buy your car? Oh, right. Mine was quite cheap.
I'm not sure that's part of the show, but we'll go with it.
I think that's cargo repair.
And the contrasts of air transport visible on the display here, cranking it round the turn. And that was in Mark's mind when in, I think, 2015, he displayed the Rapide that he and his father restored and owned here for the first time as well.
Horizontally when it went. The first is the Anson. Let it pass for the group first. Flying example here. There is, by the way, a flying example of effectively the Mark 1 version with the metal main spark in New Zealand. A place called Nelson. So if you're down that way, have a look, see if you can go and see it. I'm sure they're welcome.
It's telephoto.
About 200 Ansons, albeit earlier marks than the one we've just seen here, were flown by the Fleet Air Arm. They were used for training both in the UK and overseas, also for communications duties. So another machine with a direct Royal Navy connection. In today's show, John Hurrell was flying the aircraft for us, with Claire Tector joining him in the cockpit. As I was saying, the markings those of a station hack at RAF Coningsby in Lincolnshire.
It is, yeah, it's pretty good.
Hence the RAF Coningsby Station flight titles down the side. Repainted newly this year. It was previously in a blue civilian scheme for many years.
Stephen and Nimrod from the display director. You can go early if you wish.
While the Anson is taxiing in, a final call, please, for a member of the photographic section who's left his card at the photographic section tent. If you'd like to go and collect it, because they're packing the tent away now, and your card will be retained until next time. So if you're in the photo section, you were on the flight line tour this morning, and you haven't got your card with you now, please go to flight line 10 and recover it.